In this video, I'm going to show you 13 various businesses you can start this week. My goal with this channel is to show you various ways you can start making money online and offline, and to show you how to start and grow an online business the right way. Making money online don't need to be that difficult. So on this channel, I'm going to show you various strategies on how to make money, save money, and also build a life of financial freedom. So if making money online is something you want to look into, and if you want to know how to start and grow an online business in detail, then make sure to check out the first link in the description below, which is a 4-day blueprint on how you can start an online business the right way. This is a free course that's taught by Frank Archer that shows you in detail how you can start and grow an online business. Frankly speaking, I've never seen another course giving away so much value for free. Because in this course, it won't be asking you to buy like $1,000 course at the end of the training or at any point in the training. This is a full blueprint that shows you how you can start and grow an online business, and you have nothing to lose on at all. So just hit the first link at the description below and sign up with your name and email address, and you're gonna receive the first training, the first video in the training, and the rest of the training will come in within the remaining weeks. So to get started, I want to share with you 13 businesses you can start this week. Most times when we are stuck, we look for various business ideas we want to start, or when we look at various businesses, we get confused by so many options out there. But in this video, I want to review to you 13 businesses I've seen that are lucrative either online or offline, and these are businesses you can start with little or no capital, but with a dedication on your own side. So check out the free training that shows you how to grow an online business, which is a training by Frank Archelt that shows you how to start a complete online business the right way. So on our list of 13 businesses that we can start this week, the first business you can start this week is a graphic design business. If you are good in design, if you are good in graphics, if you are good in artwork, you can monetize your skill by starting a graphic design business. Graphic design business is a lucrative business because so many people are in need of graphic design and graphic artists. And if you can start a graphic design business, it's going to give a huge income potential on your side. Then the second business we will look into is a mobile car wash business. Once a mobile car wash business, moving around in your truck or in your car looking for people that need their car to be washed, a mobile car business is also a lucrative business. Then the third business on our list is an insurance agent business. Insurance is a good business right now because a lot of people need insurance policies, both life insurance and different kind of insurance, to suit their various businesses, to suit their various needs. So if you can tap into this potential and start an insurance agent business, it's also a lucrative business on your own side. Then the next business on our list is organic food business. Organic food business is also a business you would want to look into, which I believe to be lucrative and at the same time to have a huge income potential. Then the next business on our side is a freelancing writing. If you're good in writing, if you're good as a freelancer, you can head over to sites like upwork.com or fiverr.com and look for people that are in need of and create an account with them too. You can join and create an account with them, and there are so many thousands of businesses that comes over to these sites, upwork.com and freelancer.com, that needs basic services, basic writing gigs to support their works online. And if you are good at writing, then freelancing writing would be a better option for you. Then the next business is a cleaning business. If you can start a cleaning business, cleaning people's offices, cleaning people's workplace, cleaning people's home. So cleaning business is also another good business you would want to look into. The next business is an event planning business. Event planning is if you can make money for free with an event planning business if you are creative enough to make this work. You probably would go to a restaurant or an event venue and bargain with the owner of the place that you would like to use their place for an event, and convince them to charge you nothing. Because when you can bring in people to their place, their restaurants or their event venue, they will probably be making money by selling their food, their drink and their snacks on the event. And you can start making money with your event business by charging a gate fee to access your event. If you could charge like $10 per individual, and if you can bring in 100 people to your event per night, this is a total sum of $1,000 on just a single night. So event planning business is something you want to look into if you're creative enough to make it work. Then another business you would want to start is an home stylish business is also another lucrative option that you would want to look into to start this week. Then aside from being an home stylist, you would also want to be a website developer. So many businesses are in need of website today to start their business or to get online. Most local businesses would require service of a web developer to get online, and if you can provide this need for them, it's a good start for you. So Upwork, Fiverr and freelancing sites are a good option where you can sign up to become a web developer, and you can advertise your services on these sites and get businesses to employ you to create professional websites for them. So if website is something you are good in, you can monetize this skill by starting a website by start being a website developer. Then another business you can start is a dog training business. Pet is a huge industry, and dog training is a good business you can think of starting this way. So dog training business, you can start up to train dogs or to walk dogs or to look after dog for people. If you're a dog lover, you can check out starting a dog business by taking care of dogs for various individuals or people. So dog training, being a dog trainer is also a good option and a good business you can look at starting this week. Then the number 11th business we can look at is starting a car rental business. A car rental business is also a good option you can look into. And the 12th business we look into is a food truck business. So food truck business is also what you can look at starting this week. And finally, another lucrative business you may think of starting this week is starting an e-commerce business. So e-commerce business is a good business in the sense that you start an e-commerce or a drop shipping business where you source products and for cheap, and you can sell these products at a margin. So Shopify is a good e-commerce. So Shopify is a good e-commerce website where you can build an e-commerce business on Shopify. And if you know where to get these products for free, you can start an e-commerce business and be able to make money with your e-commerce or your dropshipping business. So Shopify is a good option, or Amazon FBA. These are e-commerce businesses you can start. So check out these 13 businesses. Find a passion, a sweet spot where something good you can do and offer it and monetize it. Offer to start these businesses and put in the effort required to start these businesses, and you're going to see yourself succeed in these businesses. So we all start businesses for a reason, and sometimes we start business to support our current job or to support our main business. This could be a side gig. So these 13 businesses are businesses you can start right away. There's little to no cost or upfront, and if you can get into any of this industry, build up your brand in these industries, and you see yourself making good money in each of these industries. So these are 13 businesses you can start this week. Thank you for watching this video, and please, if you love this video, kindly give us a thumb up, and please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And also check out the first link in the description below for a free 4-day blueprint that shows you how to start and grow an online business the right way. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.